Have you ever tried ClickBank and affiliate marketing? You're probably spinning your wheels, trying to find solutions. All right, real talk. I've seen so many crappy videos on YouTube. That's why I had to create this video and this series of videos because I've seen so much crap out there. These videos, have you seen these videos where they tell you just click this button and make $200? Just click this button 20 times and you will make $5,000. This is stupid stuff like that. That is making me create this video for you. I know it's tough. ClickBank affiliate marketing. I know a lot of people that are out there making videos and saying that it's so easy. You just click one button and all this stuff selling you this crappy software and this stuff that makes no sense at all. I know the struggles. I tried many years, ClickBank and affiliate marketing and all kinds of stuff, and there's a lot of garbage out there. And if you believe these videos that are on YouTube, shame on you because it makes no sense. I'm not gonna here to tell you that you make you just click one button and you're gonna start making hundreds of dollars, and then you click this same button 10 times and you're gonna make thousands of dollars. That's stupid. You shouldn't listen to that advice. You should listen to me and have the solution. The best strategy is right here in this video I'm gonna show you. And you're gonna start implementing these concepts and strategies that I'm gonna tell you right now. You're gonna implement it today. You're gonna start doing today the work that is gonna give you results tomorrow. And this realistically can give you results if you are a total newbie, and maybe in a few days, if you already have some experience doing the things that I'm going to tell you, you're going to start getting results by today or tomorrow. It depends on your experience, your expertise. But I'm not going to tell you here that it's going to take for you just to click one button of some software I'm selling you for $15 and now you're going to be making thousands of dollars. That makes no sense. So I'm going to create this video and also more videos on this YouTube channel. I'm going to be real and upfront with you. I don't want to scam you with stupid stuff that I see over there. It's just, it makes me so mad. So let's do it. I'm going to show you right now on the screen the best strategy, and I'm going to also show you the best solution, what I learned, the best strategy, and the everything concrete and specific strategies that you need to start implementing right now to get success with ClickBank affiliate marketing. So let's do it. All right, so you're probably familiar with ClickBank. That's why you're here. That's why you want to learn about ClickBank. But basically, to keep it simple, ClickBank is just an affiliate network where they're connecting sellers and affiliates to promote the products. You see affiliates, sellers, and this is one of the best platforms to become an affiliate for many reasons. There's a lot of different types of products and a lot of products. There's e-commerce, there's physical products, there's a lot of digital products, and all kinds of niches I'm going to show you right now. And it's very spread out. It's very professional network. It's been open for over 25 years in 190 countries and paid over $6.6 billion. I've been selling for ClickBank for many years. It's been already like 15 years or so, and they're very legit. I highly recommend you to start with this network, and then you can expand. So basically, if you don't have an account yet, you can just click here on start here and fill out this questionnaire. Fill out this questionnaire, yeah, and that's it. It's very easy. It's very easy to get accepted. That's another good reason why to start with ClickBank. Now I'm going to show you the marketplace, right? This is what I've been telling you about. There's a lot of different niches here, and the niches that they make the most money and the most profitable ones in the online space, in the real world, and everything is going to be health, wealth, and relationships, and things between both or three of the niches as well. Anything that can save money too, like the wealth, anything that can make money or save money or save relationships, make relationships better. And that's where the self-help and home and garden getting into is like a mix of both, right? Home and garden and DIY products. That's going to increase the relationship, right? If you're a husband, your wife is going to love you better. Or if you have a girlfriend and you live together in a house and and you as a man are able to do things around the house, your relationship is going to improve. You're going to be able to save money too. So it's like a mix of both of relationship and wealth, right? And also self-help. There's different things that you can do there on self-help, but this is basically the marketplace where you can see the offers, where you can find the offers, and it's very easy. You can click here on top offers, new offers, saved offers, or by the niche. So you can come here to the top offers, and you're gonna see that, of course, health is dominating this marketplace. But I don't recommend it for newbies because it's very competitive. There's people spending millions and millions of dollars in these niches. It's a very competitive niche, very hard to be profitable, and there's already a lot of businesses with old Facebook accounts where they have a lot of data already, they have a very mature picture, and they can get sales easier than you as a newbie. So the niches that I recommend starting with will be e-business and marketing or the home and garden niche. This is where you're gonna start making some damage because there's gravity is not as high either, and the people selling these products are not as advanced and so invested like in the health and the weight loss niche, right? So these products make a lot of money, but there's way less competition, as you can see here, and that's where we recommend you starting with. And when you click on the link below in the description, there's a training specifically where you gotta learn how to be specialized on this niche, on the home and garden, and also self-help and survival niche. These products right here are great. His Secret Obsession Relationship 2 here, and yeah, these are the best niches to focus on, especially as a beginner, and there's an advanced training about this niche on the description of this page. But basically this is the secret strategy that you probably seen this already, but this is the best way as a newbie, as a beginner, to start making sales and start getting results at least from the get-go, okay, with Meta or Facebook ads, because you don't have to wait months to see for feedback. If you start posting videos on TikTok or Instagram, you keep posting and posting and posting, you're not gonna know the real results. You're not gonna be able to test results and analyze the data after maybe weeks or months, or maybe sometimes you're never gonna get any significant amount of traffic to analyze what's working and what's not. So it's a lot of waste of time, it's a lot of effort, a lot of discipline. You're probably already doing some job, at least one job, maybe two jobs. Who knows? You have life, probably. Maybe you have kids, maybe you have a partner, and you can't be working weeks and weeks or months and months without any type of tangible results that you can analyze. So stop wasting your time like that. I know it's a trap. I know it sounds very good to start a business for free, which is unrealistic, but you can start with very little money with Facebook ads. Okay, you're gonna start with $5 a day, $15 a day, something basic, and you're gonna be getting real data and analytics already from day one, so you can see what's working and what's not. And then based on that, based on the information that you're getting, then you're gonna start posting free content to get organic traffic. But this time you're gonna be more confident and you're gonna know exactly what's working and what's not. So then you're not wasting your time. You know what I mean? So you're gonna be getting instant data and many times instant sales as well. You're gonna be able to make sales from the day one too, potentially, if you know how to do it. And then all you have to focus on is creating a good bridge page, and then from the bridge page drive traffic to the affiliate offer. So I'm going to show you an example here. For example, this is a bridge page that I created for this niche, for the make money online niche and AI, and yeah, right, this is one of my niches. I'm also in the DIY niche, home and garden niche, but this is the one that is making me the most money right now. So I created this bridge page, right? It's a simple page with a story about myself, how I use AI every day. A little video here if you want to do video. It's not mandatory. All right, you don't need to create a video here on the bridge page. I did it, and I'm more experienced. I've been making videos for years, so I'm more experienced with this. So I did it, but you don't have to do video here. You can just put an image and link to the affiliate link. But yeah, this is a simple bridge page, and then you can just click here and it goes to the affiliate page where they can get the, in this case, the AI package, right? With the uncensored and unlimited AI tools. And you can find this crazy offer too in the description right below this video too. If you're interested in this, just for $15, you can get these bots, these AI bots like Gemini, ChatGPT, and Grok. This is what I use to create this landing page, right? I created this using, I believe it was ChatGPT or DeepSeek, and it comes with this. And I have the paid version because of this, because I have a pack with AI tools like this, and you create the landing page based on that, and then you create also ads. So the ads here, there's an ad library, Facebook ad library, where you can see things that are running, right? Facebook advertising that is already running, and you can copy and model after things that are already successful. So for example, search ads, let's say this example of AI, right? AI bots, for example, and see what's out there. And then all you have to do is create Facebook ads that are linking to this bridge page. And then from the bridge page, they click on the affiliate link, and that's where you make the commissions and the sales. So right here, for example, right here, see, there's a different ads here. These have been running for just a few days. We're March 29th. This is running for 2 days, but you can scroll down more and more. Launched in June. This is still active since June. And look at this. You can just model after these ads that have been running since June. And we're already in almost April, at the end of March of 2025. So you know that these ads are running and are profitable and are successful because they've been running for months and months and months. So this another one. Look at this. This is great. This is a video ad, but you can just copy this, see ad details, right? And what you can do, right? You can feed this into the AI bot that you're using to ChatGPT or DeepSeek. You can have access to all these bots on the link on the description below. And then put an image. You can create an image or a simple video with an image and just an ad with text that is moving with some animation, and that's it. And you can paste this into the AI and ask the AI bot, the ChatGPT, for example, and ask them, here's a successful ad. Write a similar ad where I promote this product, right? And the goal is to get a high CTR to this page right here, and that's it. And you put the link on the AI bot, and this, you paste this message, this ad, and you tell them that the goal is to drive traffic to this page, and boom, it's going to create an ad. And you can ask them to create more than one ad, maybe 5, 10 ads, so you can split test them and test them all at the same time. And then ask the AI bot to create an image or 5 different images, to give you a prompt or 5 different prompts for 5 different images about this ad and this offer, and then you test what works best, and you can decide also which ones you want to test. It's that simple. It's that. So that's why you're going to be creating more. So it's more than 3 ads, right? It's going to be more and more. So you duplicate. You're going to be having maybe 6, 10 ads at a time. Depends on what you want to do, but this is what's the best practice. The more you can test, the better. And then there's a more advanced strategy that also is part of the strategy and the community. Right below this link, right below this video, you can find the link. And instead of just sending traffic to the bridge page and then directly to the affiliate offer, you're gonna be doing, you're gonna be adding, right? You're gonna be adding a opt-in page to build your list. But this is more advanced, okay? This is gonna be more advanced. But yeah, basically this is what you're gonna be doing. Right? Opt-in page to build your list, bridge page, affiliate offer, and all this is explained very well on the training right below. There's advanced training about this. And then you just focus on building opt-in page, bridge page, and the Facebook ads. And then the proper, once you find the right ad, the Facebook ad, you create the right ad, and you just let Facebook do the targeting for you with their AI and their system and everything. You don't even need to be too detailed nowadays, and every time it's easier and easier to be successful with Facebook ads. Now, website builder right here, I use Elementor for WordPress. So I do Namecheap hosting. I'm gonna put the link below as well. This is the hosting that I use. I use Namecheap, and this is where I buy my domains too. And then once you get the hosting, super cheap. You can find the link right below. Hosting right here, for example. Reseller hosting, share hosting, for example. Super cheap. Look at this. Very cheap hosting. You can find it right below in the description of this video. And then you see it's very easy. It's great support to like chat support and everything. And then here the website. This is super easy to use. I love this Elementor tool. It's a plugin within WordPress, and you just install WordPress in this Namecheap to create the website, and then here you create the landing pages and the opt-in pages with this, which is 100% free Elementor. And that's it. This is all you need if you're gonna do this. Or you can just get ClickFunnels, and also there's a system.io too. There's different landing page creators that you can use. Yeah, system.io. I use this too sometimes. And if you want, you can get the free version and start creating your first landing page with this. And that's it. This is all you need to focus on. All right. This in the beginning, just drive traffic to the bridge page that is linking to your affiliate offer. All right. I'm gonna be creating more videos too with more details, but the best training with this about this strategy is right below on the description of this video. And I hope you're enjoying. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is the real truth. This is the truth, okay? This is all you need to focus on. Stop posting free content. I mean, you can post free content if you want, but don't rely on that alone. You know, it's gonna discourage you, and you owe it to yourself to get results right away. This is very predictable. As I was saying, this is how you build a predictable business and you get results right away and you see what's working right away. So, and then you're gonna start building your landing page, right? Very cool. And then also, based on this information, as I said, based on the ads that are working and the ones that are not, then you can post these videos on Instagram and Facebook Reels and TikTok, and you're gonna know that have a good chance to work and do better on the algorithm and to get even more traffic. So this is why I recommend to implement this strategy at first, especially for beginners, and then later on you advance to the opt-in page right here to build your list. Very important. So great community and great strategy and great training. This is ever changing. Okay, there's also live calls every 2 weeks or so where you can ask any questions about this strategy, and then they're gonna be showing what kind of funnels are working the best right now, what type of offers, exactly what offers are working best right now, because there's a big community with a lot of results. And the main trainer, the main coach of this program and this training is a platinum ClickBank affiliate marketer, which that means that he's making millions of dollars on ClickBank. Okay, so get to it right now and subscribe to this channel for more videos about affiliate marketing and online business success. Talk to you soon.